Hello, my name is Anthony Iacano. I am taking the Case Western Reserve Bootcamp, and this is my README generator. So, when you go to the Git repository, you're going to pull down the README generator. When you get it, it's going to look something like this. Notice it has a gitignore file that keeps it so that the packages aren't uploaded to the Git repository. So to get those, we're going to need to open this folder up with a terminal. I'm going to use the one in VS Code, and I'm going to run git npm install, which will take the packages file and install the required dependencies for this program. Alright, so now that's done, and we should have the required packages to run the program. Note, I purposefully added this run.bat file. All the run.bat file is doing is running node and then index.js. I just added it for convenience sake, but you can also run that in the terminal here. So when it's run, it's going to prompt you and ask for the title of the project. In this case, we'll just say this is Anthony's project. Then it's going to ask you for a brief description of your project. This is a brief description, if I could spell, of Anthony's project. How do you install it? You just install it. Now obviously this isn't very helpful, but this is just an example. A brief description of how you will use your project. Well, you will just use it. Describe how others can contribute to your project. They can give contributions. Describe some simple instructions for testing. Do tests that you think will be helpful. Once again, not very good descriptions, but as you can see, you can pick between the license. In this case, we're going to do the Apache. My GitHub username, which is Anthony-GG. And then a good email to reach me at is anthony@vainglory.com. So now that that's finished, there is a README MD file right here. This file will contain all that information we just put down. This is the brief description of Anthony's project. Anthony's project. You will just install it. You will just use it. They can give contributions. All that information is now here in a standard README format. And for us to actually see this, it'll let me pull up the folder. It will not. I will open the folder here. We just opened the preview. And our license badge is right here. We have it all formatted just how we want it. Contact information down here. And that's how you use the README generator. Thank you for watching.